Click on the link below to get price. The Kyocera 1702LC0UN0 Model MK-8505A Maintenance Kit is an essential component for maintaining the performance and longevity of Kyocera/Copystar CS-4550ci and CS-4551ci printers. From the moment I installed this kit, I noticed a significant improvement in print quality and overall printer efficiency. One of the standout features of this maintenance kit is its comprehensive nature. It includes all necessary components such as the developer unit, drum, and transfer belt, which are critical for ensuring consistent print outputs. The installation process was surprisingly straightforward. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making it accessible even for those who might not be particularly tech-savvy. Once installed, my printer was back to producing sharp, vibrant prints with excellent color accuracy. Another aspect worth noting is the durability of the materials used in the maintenance kit. Since replacing the components, I've noticed a decrease in misfeeds and paper jams, which were previously a recurring issue. This reliability not only enhances the workflow but also minimizes downtime, allowing for a more efficient printing experience, especially in a busy office environment. Additionally, the maintenance kit represents a good value. Considering the high-quality prints and reduced maintenance needs it provides, the cost is justifiable. It's a worthwhile investment for anyone who relies heavily on their printer for business purposes. In conclusion, the Kyocera 1702LC0UN0 Model MK-8505A Maintenance Kit has exceeded my expectations. It revitalized my printer, leading to improved performance, less downtime, and enhanced print quality. For users of the Kyocera/Copystar CS-4550ci and CS-4551ci models, this kit is indispensable. I highly recommend it to anyone looking to maintain their printer in peak condition and ensure consistent, professional quality prints.